be this. When I good evening. How na dey? See as una serious, the way tomorrow funny. What's funny? Me wey dey find who I wan sleep with this night. I dey go through a lot. Baba, the way things cost now, if na tomorrow be plantain seller, if I no make am. Plantain now dey very expensive. Die. See M.O.P. slip of tongue. M.O.P. forehead be like Nigeria economy. You no go understand that. Make come on cap, your eye go clear. Asoro, my guy, DJ, thank you for sponsoring. The way you like M.O.P., you want sleep with her. Everywhere powered by M.O.P. For my picture, say they write powered by DJ. You be NEPA. Papa, you way dey close to DJ. The share say you don't come out. You just say you never make am. You just the one associate with people who don't make am. Give big man space. Invest in BTC. Now I go to tell you, say stay with me, I'll make it. Baba, no we are there. Nigeria is in a state of shetima now. Baba, things don't cost. Even I go save, no fee save money now. Ha! See people where they say this year no agree for anybody, no agree for anybody, no agree sleep. All of us they are awake by this time they listening to M.O.P. slip of tongue. Waiting did they contribute for the economy? This Nigeria, anything where you they do now, you guys add another work, join them. My neighbor now shawo now runs get too. If she no catch online, she will catch offline. My guy where they do Yahoo, he they thief too. If you no catch online, you catch offline. You guys they creative. Even for half concept, our keeper get injured. As you see other keeper they warm up. Now he start to the warm up. Say, I'm okay. You must get something doing. They could tell you say get 2 streams of income. You no go get one before you get 2. The only stream where there is Nigeria and a stream of joy. What God cannot do, I go lie for you. Baba, graduate there now they pity for. See, Asoro we study engineering. He dey choose kit, Rufus. Say na runs boy. Engineer we no fit near engine. Baba, this Lagos they lie. Even freedom way traffic day. Why do they call am freedom way? My first attack, I got it in first attack, man. Bro, no farmer for farm city. Now hot food there. For farm city, those girls they are very crazy. Sexual intercourse is very expensive in Lagos, man. And they tell you, say how much for a night? They say 150,000 for natural resources given to us by nature. Now my pig don't stand though, your own just flat. God. Now I tell the girls, say anywhere I come, now come. I left that wicked farm city. I go to Total, celebrate grace. Baba, Sangote do boys. Baba, Total girls, very customer friendly. DJ, I go Total. I ask the girls, say, how much for a night? Say 30K, but they do promo 25. Say, nice. Bro, with accommodation, that girl, now for my house. I tell the woman, say, let's go. And she senior me, and they fuck with respect. Mama, God, when you sleep with an older woman, you understand sexual transaction. We don't sleep with the woman feeling the money I pay her 25 back. She said she give me one small infection. I said, don't bother yourself. I use 20K to cure her 45,000. I remember 105. I put her for Bitcoin. It rise. Sense. Guy, now Lagos be this. Port Harcourt boy, Malay. Who be that? Waiting be in there. Baba tomorrow na sit at home. Just they spray. I know they send money go village. Who be you? Who are you? Omo-Obi puss. You don't finish. Baba, you dey come quick. Throw bundle, no they spray this thing. Ladies and gentlemen, I do this one and I go. For this Lagos, they know they stay one place for long. If you stay one place for 1 year, back out from that place, they go see you finish. They go tell you, say, God bless your neighbor. Be happy. God is your neighbor. Who not allow you. You God bless your neighbor. Back out. Now you go to pump water. I pack up from Sangote, I go Elaje movement. I reach there. DJ, my neighbor now shall celebrate grace. What the enemy meant for evil, God has turned it around for my good. Yo, I dey wake up, I shall they call me fine boy, you don't shop. Grace. I shop and I shop. Well, good night, man.
This life, my brother, this life, you need to make money. Some boys going to tell say money is not everything, money is not everything. Listen to me, money is everything. As a boy, if you get girlfriend, now you they buy ice cream, but another man they make and scream. We sex for this generation. Our fathers, now normal style our fathers do. See what our fathers do. Normal missionary style. They don't old now. See the way our fathers say they work. For normal missionary style, you see the way our parents say they work. With what we do with our ways. If we don't old, if you just say one.
M.O.P. Sleep of Tall.
Yeah. I bring you greetings from the most respected monarch in the world. The Omonoba Nedo Uku Akbolopolo Ogetikan. Oba Tokbae. That's not the true one, the right to name put. For special recognition, money had this period. DJ, God bless you for the maximum love and support towards M.O.P's career. Mona clap for DJ Abeg. One thing I love about him is the only man in this Lagos who know they cheat on his wife, except the wife travel. Yeah, no, they. No. However, you don't right though. This Lagos now get my there. Douglas, don't follow big man sit down. That does not make you a big man. You know how many poor men they full bank still come out like that? The guy just relax. Lagos, now they crazy. Edopikin call Lagos. Edopikin call Lagos. Very yeah place. This Lagos, I never see place like this. If you piss, you don't go know whether you flush or you no flush. The piss and the water are the same color. Call it this Lekki. Yes, now Lagos. And now this Lagos girl go do fake nyash. My girl mind. How you as a girl you do fake nyash? They want buy motor for you. They look for first body. No, now wisdom at the drop. I know the only man. I don't maybe the last person. Lagos, where two twins come up for Enugu. They come up for Enugu, one call hustle. Two musicians, twins, so they reach Lagos. One first, one blow because of hold up. Wisdom. Now later you get the collector of it. Nigeria don't have to see everybody now. By this time, for terraculture before, by this time, everybody don't go house. Who want go house now? Who want go on diesel? You know how you want to go on diesel? Not much for diesel. Oh, no, don't need to clap. You know where last? You want to go on your AC? AC, get a free AC. Nobody. M.O.P, you don't need to tell anybody say stay. Now like we go stay. You know heat where they outside there. Heat everywhere. About the in charge of heat. The heat where this country now be like waiting the plug for stabilizer. If you see heat, that's why no artist will drop any heat. Now God heat the rain. All artists need to wait for rainy season to rain again. I know they do the usual. Heat day everywhere now. Bros, you know say now you go bank and heat all day so they bank they full. Nobody they pay, nobody they withdraw. Man can't rest. Bank go full, heat everywhere. Oh now, update. Oh, no worry. Not be this guy be this way they say, where casino say me no they make noise just now. Alpha. Hello bro. I beg. Casino na Jew, me na Curtis, I beg. I beg no make noise again, I beg. Okay, now you they in charge of her. When did they misbehave? Okay, now this guy. I beg. Joke they good when people they listen, I beg though. Madam carry on. Where your wife? I do. I'm going through a lot too. How long have you been in this problem? This life, my brother, this life, you need to make money. Some boys going to tell say money is not everything, money is not everything. Listen to me, money is everything. As a boy, if you get girlfriend, now you they buy ice cream, but another man they make and scream. I not just the crowd joke, you must carry something, go house. Some people go tell say I don't get money, I get big blockers. It's not by blockers. Blockers will not get money in Diido.